Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to show you a report generator in PHP that I made to help make life easier for web developers using PHP. Okay? So let's get started. It's quite simple, all right? Here on the initial screen, I have two menus. The database configuration menu, which is for you to make the connection with the database. You simply point to the MySQL database here, providing the host, the port, and the database name, all right? Your database connection user, your password, and save this record. When you do this, what happens? It saves this file here with the configuration that will be used to generate the report, okay? So, all right, let's go. Then I come here to the report generator. I can choose either the table or the query. If I choose the table, it will list all the tables and all the fields of that table, so you can use them as parameters, okay? Some fields, I limited it to 4 fields, but in the source code, you can change it to include others, a larger number of fields, all right? And the query is for you to input the actual query, your select statement, where you want to display specific fields with specific parameters. I'll show you that in a moment, okay? When choosing the table, I can select here, for example, the agenda table. It will notice that it is showing all the tables from that database we configured, okay? And here are the fields corresponding to the table. I can come here. As I mentioned earlier, I limited it to 4 parameter fields, okay? But you can change it, as I said, all right? You can increase this number, okay? Then I put here, for example, the name. I put, I don't know, the clinic ID, for example. I set the ID with an equal sign and the name with a like, okay? You can use greater than or less than, all right? So what do you do next? You continue. It will save this information and you name this report. I'll put schedule here. And it commands to generate the report. Automatically, it generates the report, and then this report is saved here, look, inside the report folder that you can use. So it puts all the information, yes, from the entire query into the table, okay? And I define the parameters here, look, to be used later, all right? Then I come here, click on the report, and it generates the report for us to view. This report, it creates in the header the fields that you set as parameters, okay? Here, look, name, for example, I'll take here, look, name of this clinic. I'll apply a filter. It will bring only the specific clinic, okay, that I filtered. Or I can use the field Seya here, which is standard, okay? It will search any information in here. For example, I'll take this color here, look, and it will bring it, okay? Yes, I can also export copy, export to CSV, Excel, PDF. I'll take Excel here, look. I'll generate for Excel. You'll notice that it will save to Excel. Open. There it is. Saving the Excel data. Okay? It has pagination by default. I can go back here. So I'm going to take the query now, okay? I'll choose query. I'll put any query here. Then I'll come here to the database. I'll take here agreement, look. Agreement, name, ID, and name, okay? Agreement, I'll do here. Select ID, name from agreement. Where? Name, like. Done. I'll continue. The only option was the name. I'll put here agreement. I send to generate the report. Done. The report was generated. Here it is, look. Report, ready, neat. If I want to export to PDF, look, the parameter is here. If I want to export to PDF, I come here. It will generate to PDF. And here it generated my little report to PDF. Simple, easy, fast, quite practical, okay? So whoever wants Whoever desires the source, send me a little message, send your email, if okay. All right. Cheers.